backpack? You want the tiny backpack?
I do a blue.
You're cute. He's kind of cute, bro.
What is he doing?
Yo!
Yo!
What is he doing?
Yeah! Yo, I heard if you press this button right here, then you get a Coca-Cola. Watch.
Really?
Yeah. See, I got one.
Wow!
Alright, you try.
What?
Press the button. Alright, good. See if you get one.
Did you can play bro? What is this? It's called the Diddy Alien. It plays that song, and if it plays in like 2 hours, that means you're banned. Yo, if that plays that song.
Shut the fuck up.
An hour. Yeah, fuck. Mango, no! Mango, no! Stop it! Stop! Mango, stop! 1 day without funk.
Wait, why aren't you tweaked out?
I couldn't resist. Mango! Dude,
Shut the fuck up.
Alright, let's see.
Hey. A grenade!
Bro, even this crowbar. Okay, you know what? I'll just take the stick back. Give me the stick.
Here you go.
What? No! Don't be scared.
Make sure you guys didn't steal anything. No
Really?
shoplifters here.
Billy, I told you not to steal anything! What?
I bet you can.
Yeah. You wanna go see it? Okay, let's go, Billy. There's your pet chicken. Go give him the treat. Yeah, go give him the treat.
Chicken!
What? Billy, what are you doing up there? That's dangerous.
Yummy.
3, 2, 1, shoot! Billy! Billy! It's a dynamite! What do we do? Billy!
It's a bird! It's a plane! It's an egg salad sandwich!
Actually, guys, I think that's a bomb.
Wait, what? See, guys? It's not a bomb!
Can you make the sound of a revolver?
Golden gun, buddy.
Make the sound of an RPG.
Un vaso con caca.
Make the sound of a box fan. Can you make the sound of a drill?
Yeah.
Okay, follow me, mom.